Hazrat Huzaifa bin Yaman radiyallahu anhu states that the other people would ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about good, but I used to ask him about evil, fearing lest I should get struck by it. So I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we were in the period of ignorance and enmeshed in evil. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu brought this good to us. Will there be any evil following this good? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. I thereupon submitted, will there be any good in the wake of this evil? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, but it will have smoke as well. I submitted, what kind of smoke will that be? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some people will act contrary to my sunnah and go contrary to my guidance. You will find good as well as bad things in them. I again submitted, will there be any evil after this good? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, some people will invite to the gates of hell. So whoever responds to their call, they will cast him in hell. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, describe them to us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they will have complexion as ours, converse in our language. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what do you enjoin me if I find that era or those people? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you must adhere to the group of the Muslims and their leader. I submitted, what if there will be neither the group of the Muslims nor their chief? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, remain away from all those sects, though you have to chew the roots of a tree until death overtakes you in that state. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4761.